Do you want that old thing back? That vintage sound without spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars? I'll show you how. I was looking for some vintage pieces to upgrade my office a little bit. My overall goal was to make my office a listening room and also productive. You feel like you can get some work done. And also, if I want to come in and just chill and sit and just play my music, then I could do that too. But I did not want to spend over $100. First of all, you want to find your gear, okay? You want to find a receiver. You want to find some good speakers. Now, I went to Facebook Marketplace. Tons of people out here trying to downsize, trying to get rid of things that people are just sitting on that haven't been used in years. That's where you can take advantage. You may have to hit up that uncle, that auntie that has these old systems that are just sitting, and you walk past them, you don't even notice them yourself. But you can take advantage of that old Sony. You can take advantage of that old Kenwood. Don't sleep. Now, I went to Facebook Marketplace and I did a lot of scrolling. It took me about a week before I found a receiver that fell into the price range and also was what I was looking for. I found a Pioneer XR3000 for $40. Can't beat that. Now, the presentation of the listing itself, not great. And I'm sure a lot of people rolled right on past it, but I caught it. Can't fool me. So I messaged the seller. I said, I'm coming to get it. Straight like that, coming to get it. And when you get there, when you meet with the seller, you want to make sure that there's nothing hidden that you could not see in the photos. So the receiver I purchased is 30 years old. It was manufactured in 1996. And it has a 25 disc CD changer. Not bad, right? Once I got it home, I had to clean it up. You need your compressed air. You need microfiber cloth. You need Q-tips. You need alcohol. Get it as close to its prime as possible. Once I found the receiver, I had to find my speakers. I found a lot that were within the $100 to $200 range. So what I did, I stayed patient, just like I did with the receiver. Now, I found these Bose Model 21 speakers and $50. $50. Now, I do look to upgrade or even change out those speakers. We shall see. And what you want with your speaker system and your receiver, you want them to be Shaq and Kobe, MJ and Pippen. You want like the chemistry that can't be that can't be replicated. You need it. You need that. And so that's what I found. And so when you pick up the speakers, you need your wiring. You can get speaker wire. You can get 100 feet for $15. So when you do it, you need to splice it, you need to cut them, splice it, and you would put your negative with your negative, your positive with your positive. Usually there on the copper wire, there's a stripe that indicates negative that goes to the black. And before you power it on, you want to make sure that the volume is down. You don't want to turn it on and then blow yourself out of your room. I'll be updating you guys as I continue to get my office to the condition that I really, really want it to be. But already at this time, I can already sense the change that it already has made to my house. Our dog has claimed his space in this office, and he never cared to come in here before I started playing music in here. Now, so ultimately, you want to take your time, scroll the marketplace, hit up some old family members that may be sitting on some things. You never know. Inspect the items, make sure that they're functional. Get it home, clean it up well, make sure it stands out. You want it to be one of the eye-catching items in your space. Lastly, play it. it is not just decor. It can be if that's what you want. We might as well gut it at that point. But if you want to keep it in good condition, you have to play it. Enjoy the sound, enjoy the mechanism, enjoy the art of the CD spinning, the sounds that pull the CD into the player, the crackling of the record player on the record. Like, enjoy those small things that we no longer really get in music because it's all Bluetooth now. Everything is streaming, everything is quick right when you want it. But there's an art to the mechanics of a receiver, of a CD player, of a record player. So enjoy that as you listen to your music. More next time. Off the Clock Doc. Hey.